In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an emoji keyboard on your Mac. It's actually super simple. Let's do it right now. Okay, so I have a super simple text edit document open right now. But this feature is going to work on any program or area that you may be working on that supports using an emoji in the text field. So there's a couple ways of doing this. The first is actually to come up here. And if you're using one of the latest versions of the iOS on your Mac, you're going to have a little symbol that looks something like this. Once I click on it, you can see that brings up a little menu that includes Show, Emoji, and Symbols. Watch what happens when I click on this. You're going to get a large drop-down menu that basically has all sorts of emojis that you can scroll through, as well as other little icons and things like that you can use. So there's a ton of stuff here that you can actually explore. You got symbols and all sorts of other different things that you can insert into a document. So when I click on this, as you can see, that little emoji is going to come up. And again, this is going to be limited to the specific text field that you're using. If you're using it pages, and you have the ability to change your font size. One of the other ways to do this is actually use the shortcut on your keyboard. And the keyboard shortcut is the Control key, the Command key, and the spacebar key pushed at the exact same time. It's all located at the bottom of your keyboard. If I push on those at the same time, as you can see, that same emoji keyboard pops up and will allow you to select those specific symbols or emojis. Friends, I hope this has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Lets us know we're making helpful videos, and stay tuned. You might want to subscribe because we have a bunch more tutorial videos that are coming up really soon. Thanks so much for watching.